Hello everybody, this is Patrick Montesdeoca with the midday report for the VCPMI Artificial Intelligence Automated Algorithm for May 20th, 2019. On Friday, the VCPMI indicated to us that the target of 2884 was completed, and by the market closing below the 2884, it activated a bearish trend momentum as we came into this week, activating the targets of about 2839 last week to the low 28s. Today's daily VCPMI tells us that the daily average price is 2867. The buy 1 level is 2847 for today. The buy 2 level is 2832. And the market last week told us that the possibility of the market coming down, testing that 2829, 2830 was very, very possible. The low today, this morning, on the mini S&P was 2833. It was close enough to complete the bearish pattern that was activated on Friday, and it gave us actually a buy signal by closing above the buy 1 level of 2847. The VCPMI Artificial Intelligence tells us that when the price comes down to the buy 1 or buy 2 levels, or the levels in blue, they are the highest probability for the reversion to unfold. The B1 level is a 90% mathematical probability that if the signal is triggered and activated, that the reversion could unfold towards the target of the average price or mean of 2867. If the price comes down to the 2832, you're looking at a 95% probability of the reversion to occur. And as I'm doing this report, the market is trading between the buy 1 and buy 2. It has not yet activated a firm buy signal from the buy 1 level of 2847. We do not suggest for our traders, to go short between buy 1 and buy 2, as once again the short signals have the highest risk of losing. If you go short from these levels, you're looking at about a 90% probability that the signal would be wrong. And so what we teach our traders, subscribers, is to identify the algorithm at the highest probability and to follow the methodology that identifies the trigger point. And that is by using the 15-minute bar on a close above 2847, the buy trigger point would be activated. When the trigger point is activated, it automatically activates the stop, which is the pivot below, or the level below your entry point. And your target automatically is activated as the mean or the average price of 2867. This is the highest probability to enter into a buy signal if activated. If we take a look at the weekly report that we just published in Marketplace, the average price for the week is 2851. The extreme level below the mean is 2809. The buy 2 level is 2756. On the weekly chart, the VCPMI Artificial Intelligence tells us that if the price closes using the 15-minute bar above 2851, it's going to activate a bullish trend momentum. And it activates the sell 1 target level of 2905. the daily signal is activating a buy trigger point on a close above 28.47. With a daily target of 28.67. Summary: if the daily signals are able to trigger a buy signal at 28.47 and the weekly closes above 28.51, we're beginning to see a daily and a weekly reversion unfolding, possibly forming what we call a harmonic alignment, which is an extremely high probability that, in fact, what we're looking at is a major area of demand in the price of the E-mini S&P 500. And the artificial intelligence of the VCPMI tells us exactly the trigger points that the reversion begins to occur, and allows you to position yourself prospectively in a very, very intelligent manner by executing the highest probability trades as a self-directed individual.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.